Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics, where we teach you guys basic game tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can fish in Fortnite. So to do so, you need to head over to a location which has fishing ponds and fishing rods. So I'm going to one right now. So once you guys have landed to a location which has fishing rods and fishing pond, you simply need to break the fishing barrel that has this rod, and you need to head over to this pond area right here where you can see like bunch of fishes, and you need to left hold click on your mouse, which will appear arrow, and after that arrow appears you just need to simply let go of your mouse, and after you're done that a shoots kind of animation will appear and you need to click again, just like that. And just like that I got an item. You can either get an item or a fish from the fishing pond. Just like that I got an item again, and that's how you guys can fish in Fortnite. So thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our video. And let us know in the comment section what video you guys want us to do next, and we will do so. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.